Well, welcome to another episode, Live, Die, Survive. I'm the host, Harvey Hill. I just want to talk to you about another gun that I carry when I just want to do a lot of things and I just don't want to carry a very heavy weapon. Here's the holster for it. It's a 22. Okay, here's the holster for it. It has a very good knife. Trust me, that knife is sharp. And there is the weapon. And they all fit in that holster right there. Very small, very light, nice gun. 22 long, and North American Arms, CRKT 22, and it's a nice gun. Excellent to carry. Keep you safe. And here's the holster for it. Not that big, kind of small, and knife, very sharp, and then the weapon. Let me focus into that. Focus into the knife. And then the holster. Back of the holster. There you go. Just another piece of equipment that I absolutely love to carry when I'm doing a lot outside and I just don't want to carry a lot of weight. Definitely always carry a weapon. So, anyway, run out of rounds, you always got the knife. Just take a nice shot of it. You guys take care. Thank you for watching Live, Die, Survive.